Tell me, do you throw away the potato skins? You may not know that it contains many substances that are beneficial for health. How to use it in the fight against hypertension. What other diseases does potato peel help with? We will tell you about it in this video. Why are potato chips valuable? We are accustomed to consider this vegetable post as garbage. But the fact is that the main part of potato tubers is starch, new simple carbohydrates. And the skin contains a lot of nutritional fibers. They make up 50% of the potato mass. The bark is also rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron. They contain vitamin C. Potato chips lower blood pressure. Scientists discovered the presence of pepsin protein in the potato peel. It is responsible for lowering blood pressure, while dietary fiber also affects the condition of blood vessels. As a result, potato skin normalizes digestion and reduces the absorption of chelastin from the intestines. It improves the condition of blood vessels and protects the body from the development of anthracyclosis, in which tea is made from potato skins to normalize blood pressure. We will present the recipe at the end of the video. Let's talk about the effect of the potato's bark on the digestive process. In addition to limiting the absorption of xyrostyl, the benefits of potato peels for the digestive tract include the removal of toxins. It reduces the risk of developing gastrointestinal cancer and also cures constipation and intestinal colic. And in diarrhea, potato skins are beneficial due to their high potassium content, which normalizes the balance of electrolytes and stools. Another interesting question arises: how does potato skin affect the liver and kidneys? In folk medicine, a decoction based on barks has been used for dissolving kidney stones for a long time. It is also good for the liver because it cleanses the organ, reduces the load on it, and protects against the negative effects of chemicals entering the liver. Unlike partoshka itself, it can reduce the level of glucose in the blood. Potato peels are also used to treat wounds. It is enough to boil them and wipe the damaged area with a bandage. Potato peels reduce cancer, heart attacks, and premature aging. They help cell regeneration and strengthen the scientific system. All of us have problems related to aging. Diseases can be prevented. We will provide all the information about them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pour fresh, clean water over the potato skins to make the potato dressing. The water should cover the potato peels. After that, boil for 5 minutes on low heat, filter the obtained tincture. Drink the remaining tincture 1 glass 3 times a day. Can also be used to normalize the electrolyte balance. For this, peel 3 potatoes with a thickness of about 10 milliliters, remove all green parts from it. Pour water over it and add 1 onion, carrot, and 3 garlic cloves. Boil this mixture for half an hour. You can add a little salt or pepper according to the tab. We talked about the benefits of potato peels, and a question arises. It should be said that potato peels can be harmful. Despite the fact that it is rich in many useful substances, it also has one dangerous side. It can damage the nervous system. It is dangerous to use the green parts of potatoes and the sprouts of potatoes. Therefore, it is necessary to carefully remove these parts when cooking potatoes for food. We ask you to take this into account. Do you use potato skins or throw them away like most? Have you heard of their healing properties? Be sure to write the answers to these questions in the comments. Don't forget, it is important for us. Please subscribe to our channel for more health and longevity videos. See you soon.